Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your fabric license and tenant permissions. You need workspace creation rights. Next, prepare a small dataset, CSV or Parquet, or point to Synapse tables for immediate use. Once ready, open the Fabric portal, click Create Workspace, name it, and assign storage and admins. Make sure to choose the correct region and capacity settings so performance matches your needs. This gets you into the Fabric environment quickly and lets you begin building pipelines and reports. Now ingest and shape your data. Use Data Factory connectors or Fabric's OneLake to pull sources in, then open Power Query for cleanups like types, splits, and filters. Once done, publish to a lakehouse or warehouse and define tables with clear schemas. Next, model relationships and create calculated columns or measures so visuals are accurate. Make sure to document primary keys and partitions. This speeds queries and reduces cost. By modeling consistently, your downstream reports and analytics become reliable. Finish by authoring reports in Power BI Desktop or the Fabric Report Canvas, connecting to your modeled dataset. Once your visuals are complete, publish to the workspace, assign viewer and editor roles, and configure refresh schedules and incremental loads. Then validate by running scheduled refreshes and reviewing performance metrics. If things go wrong, like timeouts or missing rows, check query folding, partitioning, and resource capacity first. Then simplify transformations or increase compute temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.